All right, so I need to check my ogive where I hit the lands in the rifle, basically where the bullet hits the rifle. I'm going to develop two bullets for this gun. I'm loading up the 175 LRX and the 178 ELDX. So I make a chart. It's got the bullet, the hit the lands, ogive, crusher overall length, primer, powder, velocity, standard deviation. Those are for like the best load when it's done. But I'm going to get for now where it hits the lands and my crusher overall length, so I can know how to go put it in a quick load and figure it out. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Hornady ogive checker and I'm going to zero it out. So zero it out. We put these bullets into the gun. On the Hornady makes these cool cases. They're modified cases. Goes in here. Checking the overall length here. Just put it in there. So loosen it up. You're just gonna push this thing forward until it hits the lands. Pull it out. Sweet. Right there, hits the lands. Then I'm going to take this guy here. Put it onto my bullet. Like so. Before I show you how I will know that I hit the lands at 2.649. 2.649 is where this bullet hits the lands. So put that in here. And then the cartridge roll length, I already pulled that. Let's check it again here. Got that set. Now I'll have to re-zero this thing. It's off by an inch. Pull my cartridge overall length. And my cartridge overall length is 0. Zero it out and get that measurement right there. That is 3.317. 3.317 is my overall length. And I'll do the same thing for this Hornady bullet. I'm loading the ELDX as well. Drop that guy in here. These are a little bit shorter. I just drop it in there, let it hang back a little bit. Shove it in the gun. Loosen it up. Push it in. Boom. It's hitting the lands. Pull it out. There's that. So we'll get that cartridge overall length first, and we'll put on that case to ogive as well. So now this bullet is 3.258. 3.258 cartridge overall length. And then we will go and zero this guy out again here. It's 1 inch, so you zeroed out. It takes an inch out of it. And I'll put that on back on the bullet there. So, and just like that, my case to ogive where I hit the lands is 2.608. 2.608. So with that info there, I can now go to quick load, and I'm I'm going to try and use H4 350 as my goal. Just a very, again, it's a simple rifle. 30-06 on H4 350 because it's just a very controlled powder that burns great in all conditions, very stable. And I'm going to develop a load for that 175 grain ELDX in lead, and then the 127 grain LRX copper. I'm hoping this is my go-to bullet for the gun. It's just a bullet that I know works. I've killed a ton of animals with the LRXs and the TTSX Barnes bullets. You shoot an elk with one of these bullets, it's going to penetrate, and that's my biggest thing with bullets. I want penetration, not explosion, and also heavy bullets. These are 175, so big heavy bullet. You put a big heavy 175 grain LRX into an elk, it's going to do the trick. And this rifle is being built for, that 400-yard mark, and that bullet should be traveling plenty faster than 400 yards to have about 1,700 pounds of energy, and we'll be good to go. So now let's hit over my father-in-law's house and work on quick load.